Struggling to find Namecheap's reseller hosting plans? In 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to navigate the site, compare your pricing options, and choose the best plan for your business. First, we'll go to Namecheap's homepage. Then, I'll walk you through clicking over to their hosting section, selecting the reseller option, and we'll explore every pricing tier together. By the end, you won't have to hunt for anything. So, let's start at the very beginning. Open up your browser and head to Namecheap.com. Just the main homepage, nothing fancy yet. This is where every Namecheap journey begins, and we're going to use their main navigation to find what we need. Now, look at the top of the page for the menu bar. You'll see a few options there. What we want is the one labeled Hosting. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a drop-down with all their different hosting types, so we're getting closer. From that drop-down menu, find the option that says Reseller Hosting. Click on that. Now you're on the main reseller hosting page, and this is where the real comparison work begins. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll see a few different billing cycles listed: monthly, quarterly, and yearly. Start by clicking on Monthly. This shows you the month-to-month pricing for each plan. This is really helpful if you want to see the absolute lowest commitment option. Now click on Quarterly. Watch how the prices shift. You'll see the monthly rate drop a little because you're committing to 3 months at a time. This is a nice middle ground if you're testing the waters, but want a small discount. Next, click on Yearly. This is almost always the best value in the long run. The monthly price drops significantly. If you're serious about reseller hosting and you know you'll be using it for a while, this is where you'll see the biggest savings. Go ahead and click Monthly one more time, just to compare. See how the price jumps back up? It's always good to flip back and forth so you can clearly see what you're paying extra for flexibility. All right, once you've decided on a billing cycle, let's stick with monthly for demonstration purposes. Click the Get Started button underneath the plan that catches your eye. This takes you to the customization page. You'll land on a page with a few plan options. Let's look at the first one. Click on Nebula. This is their entry-level reseller plan. It's a great starting point if you're just getting into reselling and don't need a ton of resources. Now click on Galaxy Expert. This is a step up. You'll see more storage and bandwidth listed. This plan is for when you have a few clients and need a bit more room to grow. Click on Galaxy Expert again. It might seem redundant, but sometimes the page refreshes and you want to make sure you're seeing the most up-to-date features. It locks in your selection. Now click on Universe Pro. This is their top-tier plan. If you're planning to host a lot of websites or you need serious performance, this is the one. Notice the differences in resources compared to the others. Once you've decided on a plan, click Next Step. This moves you forward to the Domain Connection page. Here you'll see a highlighted area. Click on that highlight. It opens up a few options for how you want to connect your domain. This is where you tell Namecheap how you're going to point your website to their servers. Click on Existing Domain. If you already own a domain name, whether through Namecheap or another registrar, this is the option you want. You'll be able to enter your domain name and set it up without buying a new one. Finally, click on the highlighted area one more time to confirm your selection. You should see the field become active. And that's it. You've gone from being lost in Namecheap's menus to confidently navigating their reseller plans, comparing pricing across billing cycles, and selecting exactly the right plan and domain setup for your needs. Every click we just walked through is exactly what you'll need next time you come back, so you can get straight to business.